Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that every student who's ever tried to use AI for homework knows all too well. The dreaded AI assignment fail. Yep, that moment when you trust artificial intelligence to write your essay, generate your code, or create your project, and instead you get something that looks like it was made by a robot on vacation. Artificial intelligence promises speed, accuracy, and even creativity. It promises to make your life easier, to take the stress out of assignments, and to give you that perfect submission without all the hard work. But here's the thing, sometimes AI fails spectacularly, and when it does, it's hilarious, confusing, and occasionally terrifying. Imagine asking an AI to write a 2,000-word essay on climate change and receiving a detailed report about penguins living in the desert. That's not a metaphor, that's an actual real-life example from a student who just wanted to save a few hours. Or imagine using AI for a coding assignment, and instead of producing a working program, it compiles perfectly, but prints random emojis as output. Yes, dancing pineapples instead of numbers or formulas. And then there's AI-generated art. You're supposed to make a visual report for a business project, and AI gives you a flying toaster riding a unicorn. Not exactly the professional image your teacher was expecting. So why do these AI fails happen? First, there's context confusion. AI doesn't know the specific instructions, expectations, or preferences of your teacher. It guesses based on patterns it has learned. And sometimes that guess is hilariously off. Second, data bias. AI is trained on the internet, which is full of incomplete, outdated, or simply wrong information, so it can confidently produce answers that are technically sophisticated but factually incorrect. Third, over-reliance. Some students think AI can do everything for them, and that's a fast track to disaster. The truth is, AI is a tool, not a magic wand. It's a very helpful, very enthusiastic assistant, but one that doesn't actually understand your course, your teacher, or sometimes even basic logic. So how do you prevent an AI assignment from becoming a complete fail? First, always double-check the output. AI might give you answers, but it's up to you to verify them. Second, edit and customize. Don't submit the AI's work word for word. Make it your own by adding your perspective, your examples, and your style. Third, test everything, especially for coding assignments. Run the code yourself and see if it actually works. Fourth, use AI for ideas, not full answers. Let it help you brainstorm, structure essays, or summarize research, but don't rely on it to produce a complete, polished assignment. Think of AI like a very enthusiastic, but slightly clueless intern. You wouldn't let them run your entire project alone, right? Same principle applies here. And the funny part is that even when AI fails, it's often entertaining. There are stories of AI writing love letters to the periodic table, creating math solutions in ancient Greek, and producing essays that wander off into completely unrelated topics. These fails might make you panic in the moment, but they also make for some of the best stories later. The moral here is simple: AI can be an amazing helper, but it's not perfect. Treat it as a sidekick, not a hero. Use it to save time, spark ideas, and streamline parts of your work, but never blindly trust it. And if your AI assignment fails, laugh about it, learn from it, and try again. Remember, even the best students sometimes submit essays about penguins in deserts. So, embrace the chaos, use AI wisely, and keep your sense of humor intact. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share your funniest AI assignment fail in the comments. I want to see who has the wildest story. Thanks for watching, and remember, AI is powerful, but humans are still in charge.